Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of 1 2 steps, and in this video I am going to show you how to upload a content on your Zedge account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to upload a content on Zedge, just simply open your Zedge application at first. Then after that, sign up to your account and then this page will appear. Now into here you can directly see this upload content option. You just simply have to tap into that button, then it will lead you to the website of jess.net. In here you will see all of the contents that you uploaded and get the option to upload more. Just simply click into this upload more option and then just simply click to this drag and drop or browse option. After tapping into that, it will give a lot of options. Just simply select the option that is suitable for you, and after choosing the content that you want to upload, click to next button. Then you just simply have to put the title, tags, category and description of your content. And you can also choose if your content is for mature audience or not. Then after that, just simply hit this upload button, then your content will be uploaded. By following these very easy steps, you can easily upload your content on jess.net. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update in the future. Thank you for watching the video.